This video shows how to make cupcakes using the all-in-one method. Prepare any additional ingredients, such as canned or fresh fruit. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees centigrade. Sift the flour into a bowl. Add the butter or spread, sugar, and eggs to the bowl. Whisk the ingredients together. Continue until it is a smooth and light mixture. Stir the fruit into the mixture. Using 2 large metal spoons, scoop the cake mixture into the cases. Use the back of the other spoon to push the mixture into the case. Don't overfill the case, as you can always go back and add more later. Repeat this until you have filled each case, making sure that there is the same amount in each so that the cakes cook evenly. Try not to spill any mixture on the baking tin, as this will burn. If you do, wipe it off with a cloth. Place the cakes into a preheated oven using oven gloves. Remove the cakes from the oven, remembering to use oven gloves. Remember, mix all the cake ingredients together: flour, sugar, eggs and fat, all in one. Stir in other ingredients, such as chopped or dried fruit. Divide the mixture evenly between the cake cases. Always use oven gloves.